Good afternoon, basketball fans. Welcome sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium para sa much-awaited quarterfinals matchup ng Ateneo Golden Knights and SVC Rams. Ako ang inyong makakasamang analyst and commentator, David Joshua Bernales. And mga kaibigan, as you can see, we are live dito sa ating mga media channels and also sa ating mga Facebook pages. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, pwede rin kayong manood dito sa ating venue sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium. Makikita nyo sa aking harapan ang ating mga live audiences na nagsusupport sa both teams, sa ating Shepherdville Rams and sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Siyempre, kung may mga nagsusuporta sa ating mga teams, Bucal would also like to thank their sponsors, Havaianas, Bigs, and Elise Sportswear. And siyempre, One Media TV-48-Naga and Oragon Sports TV would like to thank Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions, Globe Glufa Construction, Lemon Residences, Agena Trading, D-Meg Premium, NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik at pagsuporta sa Bucal Season 5. And syempre mga kaibigan, don't forget to like and share our stream para mas marami ang makapagpanood sa ating mga games. And ayun na nga mga kaibigan, kanina lang is nagkaroon tayo ng quarterfinals matchup between the NCF Tigers and the CSBC Blue Stallions. And yun nga mga kaibigan, sa makikita natin, NCF will proceed to the semifinals matchup. Pero bago ang lahat mga kaibigan, let us call on our courtside reporter from the side of the Golden Knights to give us an update. Lois?
Thank you, Burns. Bicolanda, we are now finally in the most crucial moment of the biggest collegiate basketball league in the region. And the Ateneo Golden Knights are more ready than ever, equipped with their strong will to enter the semis up to the battle for the championship. The Golden Knights are primed to unleash their swords on the hard court and prove that they are indeed exemplary icons of mages deserving of the spot in the semifinals. Will they finally mark their greatest victory yet here in Bucal Season 5? Just stay tuned at One Media TV-48-Naga to witness the fierce rivalry between the Ateneo Golden Knights and the Shepherdville Rams. Lois Papa, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Burns.
Ayun, maraming salamat Lois for that update on the side of the Golden Knights. And ayun nga mga kaibigan, makikita nyo na ang mga players is ready to fight here in the quarterfinals matchup between their rivals tonight, the Shepherdville Rams. And makikita natin ang ating mga audiences, they are looking blue this time, mga supporters ng ating Golden Knights. And syempre, nandito rin ang mga supporters all the way from the Shepherdville College. Pero yan mga kaibigan, tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside from the side of the Rams na si Ali to give us an update. Ali, ano ang balita dyan?
Hi Burns and good afternoon Bicolandia. Third and last day of the quarterfinals and the Shepherdville College Rams are now ready to take their team into the higher level of the league. Had the opportunity to talk to their captain Mark Rico. Halong kaba at excitement ang kanilang nararamdaman considering that this is their last battle before reaching their previous standing last Bucal Season 4. He also mentioned that despite being against an equally skilled team, they are determined to clinch their next Bucal schedule and will definitely not back down. This is Eliza Faith Petesa Respeto reporting on the side of the Shepherdville College Rams, only here on Bucal Season 5, One Media TV-48-Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Ali for that update on the side of the Rams. And ayun nga mga kaibigan, hindi talaga maiiwasan ang kaba ng mga players, lalong-lalo na ngayon na nasa second half na sila ng season ng ating Bucal Games. Pero ayun, kailangan ipakita ng Shepherd kung ano ba talaga ang kaya nila against this Ateneo team. And syempre, kailangan rin maipakita ng Golden Knights ang kanilang determinasyon sa pagsisimula ng ating laro ngayon. Maya-maya lang mga kaibigan ay mag-uumpisa ng ating ball games. Kaya tutok lang tayo as we go on a short commercial break.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Yan, we are back live dito sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium sa pag-umpisa, mga kaibigan, ng quarterfinals matchup between the Ateneo Golden Knights and the Shepherdville Rams. Ayan, makikita natin sa ating hardcourt is the first 5 of the Golden Knights and also the first 5 ng ating mga Rams. Makikita natin kung magiging maganda ba ang matchup between these two teams. Both have given it their all sa ating elimination matchup, and now they will face each other here in the quarterfinals. So, and mga kaibigan, tip in. Mananalo ng tip in dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights. Valle holding the possession here for the Golden Knights. Fires a three-pointer. No good sa kanyang attempt here. Retrieved back by his teammate pero nakuha dito ng Shepherd. Lumabi, nagmamadali, lazy ram, no good. Ball goes out of bounds. Magiging Ateneo ball ang possession nila dito. Plaza ngayon, may dala ng bola para sa Golden Knights. Passes it to Valle. Masyadong malakas yung pasa niyon. That's gonna be turnover on the side of the Golden Knights. Shepherdville on the offense here. Passes it. Three-pointer is good para sa Shepherdville Rams to put their team on the scoreboard. Ano kaya magiging sagot dito ng Golden Knights? Valle with the ball here. Kanam ng papapasaan. Gets to Almario. Almario goes inside. Passes it to Fulgar. Fulgar swatted away. That ball goes out of bounds. Pero Ateneo still has the possession here with 8 seconds on the shot clock. Fulgar passes it on the outside. Stolen here by the Rams. Vibares, another three-pointer. This time, different result. And loose ball foul here called by the referee. It's going to be a foul called on Buela. Almario taking point para sa Golden Knights. Into the hands of Plaza. To Bongala. Bongala floater. No good. Shepherdville fast break here. 3-on-1 fast break. Passes it to Vibares. Masyado malakas. Lumar retrieves that loose ball. This time fires a 3. No good. Valle gets that rebound. Fast break naman ngayon ang Ateneo. 4-on-2. Laser. That's good. Ateneo on the scoreboard. Fast break for Bares. Lays it up, that's good. Fast break after fast break early on in this first quarter. 5-2 ang ating score dito. Lamang ang Shepherdville. Almario, quick trigger 3 from that catch and shoot. No good. Offensive rebound, Fulgar. Passes it to Plaza. Plaza tries a three-pointer. No good pa rin. Bungala, another offensive rebound. Lays it up. No good. Another one. Still no good. And a foul called by the referee. Ateneo with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Valle will inbound the ball. Valle naghanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Fulgar. Passes it to Plaza. Plaza with 8 seconds on the shot clock. Into the hands of Almario. Almario fires that shot. No good. Valle offensive rebound. Puts it back and it's good. 1 point lead by the Rams. Number 16 with the ball, passes it to Vibares. Foul called by the referee here. That's going to be a foul call on Bongala. Vibares to inbound the ball. Into the hands of Lumabi. Lumabi goes in, mid-range jumper. That's good. Smooth mid-range jumper there by Lumabi. Ateneo with the ball here. Bongala holding the possession, goes inside. That pass is swatted away, stolen there by Martinez. Lumabi now on the offensive, passes it to his teammate for that two-pointer using the glass. Almario now with the ball. That's another steal by Martinez into the hands of Lumabi. Lumabi going in, laying up. That's good. Mapapatawag ng timeout dito si Coach Nuki ng Ateneo. 6 minutes, 51 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. 11-4 ang ating score. Bucal, Season 5 will be right back. We are back live mga kaibigan, na kung saan tumawag ng timeout dito ang Golden Knights. Let's see kung magkakaroon sila ng changes dito sa pagbalik ng ating matchup. Valle ngayon with the ball on the side of the Golden Knights. Plaza to Almario, three-pointer. That's gonna be no good. Offensive rebound, Bongala. Foul call there by the referee. That's gonna be a foul call ng Postrado. Three team fouls here for the Shepherdville Rams. Ball goes out of bounds again. Ateneo still on possession. Almari will inbound the ball here with 12 seconds on the shot clock. Almari to Plaza. Plaza goes inside. Jumper there is short. Shepherd now on the offense. Lumabi with the ball here. Fires a three-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. That's good para kay Postrado. Another two-pointer para sa Rams. Early lead here para sa Shepherdville. Valle ngayon. Passes it to the other side into the hands of Almario. Three-pointer again. No good pa rin para kay Almario. Vibares with the rebound. Rams on the offense. Buela goes inside, lays it up, it's good. 11-point lead here by the Rams. Early double-digit lead here. Almario tries another one. Wala pa rin. Bongala offensive rebound. With that layup, no good. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. It's gonna be a foul called on Vibares. 2 shots ngayon para kay Bongala. First shot is good. Another free throw shot and Ateneo will reduce the lead of the Rams to single digits. And that's good. Balik. Single digit lead ang Rams dito. Substitution para sa side ng Ateneo. Papasok dito si Bare. Lalabas muna si Valle. Lumabi. Passes to Buela. Buela to Bebares. Post up. Mid-range jumper. No good. Aureliano gets that rebound. To the hands of Bare. Bare fires a 3-pointer. No good. Whistle called by the referee here. That's going to be a double foul for both sides here. Foul called on Vibares and Madridano. The Rams and Ateneo. And mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang Shepherdville College, mga kaibigan. 5 minutes, 20 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik ang Bucal Season 5. We are back live, mga kaibigan, dito sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium para sa quarterfinals matchup ng Ateneo Golden Knights and Shepherdville Rams. Ayun, quick shoutouts muna tayo dito. Shoutout kay Fritz Gio Morales, kay Irvin Josh Ayaw, kay Edsel Evangelista at kay John Jairo Valle. Yan, maraming salamat po sa pagpanood sa ating live coverage ng Bucal. Pero back to the ball game tayo dito. Vibares with that long 3-pointer. That goes in! Back to a double-digit lead here para sa Rams. Kailangan dito ng Ateneo na makakuha ng sagot. Aureliano passes it to Madridano for that floater. Doesn't go in, but a foul is called here by the referee. Gonna be a foul call on Martinez. Warning for technical dito para kay Martinez. First shot here by Madridano is good. Ateneo early on struggling to get that ball inside of the basket. Madridano with the second shot is good. 18-7 ang ating score, mga kaibigan. Still a double-digit lead by the Rams here. Estrada passes it to Martinez, a 3-pointer. In and out. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball possession will go to Ateneo. Monay to Aureliano. Passes it to Bare. Bare naghanap ng papapasahan. Gets to Monay. Monay to the corner, Aureliano. Aureliano to Madridano, posting up his defender. Back to the outside. Aureliano goes inside, lays it up, no good. Smothered by the defense there. Estrada with the ball. Going all the way, floats it up, no good. Pulgar secures that rebound. Stolen there by Lumabi, lays it up, that's good. 2-pointer para sa Shepherdville again. Bonay to Aureliano. Pump fake there by Aureliano, passes it to Bare, balik kay Aureliano. Long 3-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound there by Monay into the hands of Bare. Bare goes inside, floats it up, no good. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. It's gonna be a foul called on Lumabi. Penalty na dito, mga kaibigan ng Rams. 2 shots ngayon para kay Bare. First shot by Bare, no good. Second shot is good para kay Bare. Rams taking point here. Lumabi with the ball. Lumabi goes inside, passes it to the outside into the hands of Vivares. Vivares seeing in a screen dito, heavily guarded by Monay. Fires that 3-pointer. That's short, no good. Whistle called by the referee here. Warning there for Vivares for faking a foul. Free throws here para kay Madridano. 3 minutes, 17 seconds remaining mga kaibigan dito sa ating first quarter. First shot there is good para kay Madridano. Another one to put back Ateneo on a single-digit lead. That's good. 9-point lead here by the Rams. Lumabi with the ball here, guarded by Monay. Inside pass to Buela. Buela jumper on the mid-range, no good. Rebound there by Aureliano. Mamadali sa Aureliano dito, goes inside, lays it up, no good. Nice defense there by the Rams, stolen there by Bare. Yung pasa kay Lumabi, Aureliano open for that 3-pointer, doesn't get it. Passes it to Aguilar for that mid-range jumper, it's good. Ateneo slowly bouncing back in this late first quarter. Vivares, long 3-pointer, no good. Loose ball foul here called on Aguilar. Eleven seconds on the shot clock for the Rams. Vivares to inbound the ball. Passes it to the outside. Mid-range jumper is no good. Aureliano ngayon, nagmamadali. Taking point para sa Golden Knights. Passes it to Monay. Monay to the corner. Bare goes inside, lays it up. That's good! 2-pointer there para kay Bare. Gaining some momentum dito ngayon mga kaibigan ng Ateneo. Vivares to the corner. And that's going to be a traveling violation. Mga kaibigan, traveling is better with Naga on Traveling Tours. Naga on Live Your Dreams, Create Memories. Miscommunication there on the side of the Golden Knights as Aguilar turns that ball over. May pare sisingin ng screen dito kay Buela. Passes it to the outside. Number 25, three-pointer. No good. Bari with the ball. Fast break ngayon ng Ateneo. Bari going all the way. Lays it up again. This time it's good. Plus a foul. And a chance for a three-point play para sa Golden Knights. To complete the three-point play. That's good. Substitution para sa side ng Rams dito. Patok ngayon with the ball para sa Rams. Patok into the hands of Rico. Rico, pump fakes, passes it to his teammate. Mabaza, with 8 seconds on the shot clock. Rico with the ball. Passes it to the inside. Layup, that's good. Para sa Rams, pareha. Even smothered with that defense. Gets that ball inside. Bucal with the ball here. Passes it to the outside. Monay three-pointer. No good. Rebound secured there by Mabaza. Passes it to Patok. Patok to his teammate. That's a steal by Golden Knights. Rayano fast break. Layup. No good. Masyado malakas yung layup niya doon. Foul by the referee here. That's going to be a foul called on Mabaza. Substitution dito on the side of the Golden Knights. 36 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Money now with his 2 shots on the charity stripe. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Perfect from the line si Monay dito. Substitution ulit para sa side ng Ateneo. Half-court man-to-man defense ngayon para sa Golden Knights. Patok with the ball para sa Rams. Patok stops, pops for the mid-range. No good. Offensive rebound, putback, wala pa rin. Ball goes out of bounds. Shepherdville ball. Eleven seconds on the shot clock dito para sa Rams. Patok with the ball here. Jumps. That's a block. Steal there by Tripulka. Passes it to Magno. Magno going all the way. Lays it up. That's good. Tie game. Tayo dito ngayon mga kaibigan. Shot clock is off. Patok with the ball. Stripped away yung bola. Goes out of bounds. Shepherdville ball pa rin. 5 seconds here on our game clock. Ayun mga kaibigan, referees will review a play na nangyari kanina between the Shepherdville Rams and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero yan mga kaibigan, quick shoutouts tayo dito. Shoutout kay AJ Ranyola, kay Jessica Roldan Naval Lumabi, kay Daniel Benito, and kay Heart Bautista. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pagpanood dito sa ating mga Facebook pages. And don't forget to like and share mga kaibigan para mas marami ang makapagpanood at sumuporta sa inyong mga favorite teams. Ayan mga kaibigan, maya-maya lang makikita natin or maririnig natin yung official call dito ng ating mga referees. Ateneo, mga kaibigan, kudos to the Golden Knights there. Napaka-dominant tong run dito ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams, leading a double-digit lead mga kaibigan early on in this first quarter, pero Ateneo still bounced back on this ball game, tying it up here as we end the first quarter. It's going to be an unsportsmanlike foul on side of Shepherdville Rams. Free throws are going to be given here para kay Tripulca. First shot here by Tripulca is good. Second shot is good para kay Tripulca here. Substitution on the side of the Golden Knights. Beltran papasok dito. Lalabas muna si Madridano as we end this first quarter. Shoutout tayo dito. Shoutout kay Adrian Sanchez and kay Curvy Drew. Tripulca passes it to Bongala. Bongala to the outside. Miscommunication there. Barre heaves it up. No good. And that is gonna be the end of the first quarter mga kaibigan. Ateneo bounced back in this late first quarter, now taking the lead here, 24-22. Mga kaibigan, don't go anywhere. Magbabalik po ang Bucal Season 5. Yan mga kaibigan, we are back live dito sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium for the second quarter. Ateneo here with the 2-point lead to end the first quarter. Back, Tripulca with the ball here, passes it to Bongala. Bongala to the other side, ito na sa Almario, 3-pointer. Wala pa rin ito para kay Almario. Patok ngayon with the ball. That's a steal by Plaza. Lays up, no good. Beltran puts it back again, this time with a 2-pointer. Rams ngayon with the ball. Rico with the possession here. Rico going inside, passes it to his teammate. Lays it up, no good. Rebound secured by Beltran. Pass break ang Ateneo. Ito na sa Plaza. Layup. That's good. 2-pointer again for the former Ram Plaza. Mabasa ngayon with the ball. Heavily guarded by Tripulca. Mabasa. That's going to be a traveling violation mga kaibigan. Traveling is better with Nagayon traveling tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Quick shoutout tayo dito mga kaibigan. Shoutout sa Caronan family. Especially kay Nico Andre Caronan and kay Junjun de Villaneri na nanonood sa ating Facebook page. And ayan mga kaibigan, to give us an update on the side of the SBC Rams, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Ali, ano ang balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Burns. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup, and the Shepherdville Rams are still working on their rhythm inside the hard court. During the huddle, Coach Gab reminded the boys that in this matchup, it is just a matter of execution. So make sure to put your mind and heart into the game. Remember that the goal is to reach the finals. Kaya magtrabaho and make sure to maintain the same intensity in order for them to secure their win. Showcase the Rams straight, and that is to dominate. That's it for now. Back to you, Burns.
Ayan, maraming salamat for that update, Ali, on the side of the Rams. Ayan mga kaibigan, whistle called there by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on number 28, Magno. Pero ayan mga kaibigan, to give us an update naman on the side of the Golden Knights, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Lois. Lois, ano ang balita dyan?
Thank you, Burns. The hard court is filled with tension as the opposing teams battle with their speed and strategy to dominate the ball game. Meanwhile, the Golden Knights struggled to find their momentum, falling behind with a hefty difference during the first quarter. But the Knights were quick to adapt and recuperate with their 3-2 zone defense and offensive strikes, resulting to an ATENEO lead in the last few seconds of the first quarter. That is all for the first quarter updates. Back to you, Burns.
Ayun, maraming salamat Lois for that update on the side of the Golden Knights. And makikita natin kung magiging effective nga ba yung mga changes na ginawa dito ng ating mga coaching staff. 7 minutes, 54 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half mga kaibigan. Ateneo holding a 3-point lead here. And ayun nga mga kaibigan, no? Referees will again review a play na nangyari kanina. So ayan mga kaibigan, quick shoutouts muna tayo dito ngayon. Shoutout kay Kirch Umali. Shoutout kay Kalen Alarcon. Shoutout kay Martin Cardenal. Kay Jairo Padua. And kay Jose Aaron Avenido. And ayan mga kaibigan, resumption of this ball game here. Ball possession mapupunta sa Ateneo here. 14 seconds on the shot clock here. Fulgar with that ball. Monay ngayon with the possession. Goes inside, floats it up, no good. Rebound secured there by the Rams. Lumabi here with the ball. Lumabi surveying the scene here. Goes outside, kicks it to his teammate. Layup no good there by the Rams. Rebound there by Fulgar and a foul called by the referee. It's gonna be a foul call on Madridano. That's going to be Madridano's second personal foul. 3 team fouls there para sa Ateneo. Martinez will shoot his free throws. First shot is no good. Second shot is good. Plus a ball possession dito ngayon mga kaibigan para sa Shepherdville Rams. Bares, naghanap ng mapapasaan dito. Gets to Buela. Buela passes it to his teammate. Atong malakas yung bola. That's gonna be a turnover. Magno with the ball here. Passes it to Monay. Monay to Pulgar. To the outside, back to Magno. Magno to Almario. That's a steal by Vibares. Fast break dito ngayon. Layup by Vibares. No good. Rebound there by Magno. Almario now going all the way. Spins. Passes. That's a steal. Rams naman ngayon may fast break. Stolen away by Beltran. Magno. Ateneo ngayon. Passes it to Almario. Almario. It's gonna be stepping out of bounds. Turnover para sa side ng Golden Knights. Substitution tayo dito for the side of the Golden Knights. Shepherdville now with the possession here. Lumabi going inside. Layup no good. Retrieved there by the Golden Knights. Bari with the possession. Taken away there by Lumabi. That's a steal. Shepherdville naman ngayon with the ball. 6 minutes, 13 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Vibares holding point. Passes it to Lumabi. Lumabi an open long 3-pointer. That's gonna be short. Tripulca with the ball. Passes it to Bare. Bare to the outside. Aureliano 3-pointer. That's good. (31-26) mga kaibigan ang ating score. Ateneo still holding the lead here. Postrado with the ball here. Spinning, passing, intercepted. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball possession pa rin mapupunta sa Rams. Vibares to inbound the ball, passes it to his teammate. Corner 3-pointer, doesn't go inside. Bares securing that rebound. Now Tripulca with the layup. That's good! Back-to-back points there para sa Golden Knights and mapapatawag ng timeout mga kaibigan ng Shepherdville Rams. 5 minutes, 25 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik ang Bucal. Season 5. Back live dito mga kaibigan sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium kung saan napatawag ng timeout dito ang side ng Shepherdville Rams with that back-to-back points ng ATENEO trying to stop the momentum here from the side of the Golden Knights. Lumabi ngayon to inbound the ball, passes it to Postrado. Balik kay lumabi ang bola dito. Lumabi taking point here para sa side ng Shepherd. Passes it to Postrado. Postrado goes inside, passes it to the outside. Martinez with the ball, going inside, laying it up, no good. Offensive rebound, Buela. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball goes to ATENEO. Oh, ball goes to Shepherdville. 14 seconds on the shot clock mga kaibigan. Postrado getting that inbound pass from Vibares. Postrado tries that attempt, no good. But a foul is called by the referee. Two shots ngayon para kay Postrado. First shot is good. Second shot is good para kay Postrado dito. Aureliano ngayon taking point para sa side ng Golden Knights. Passes it to Fulgar. Fulgar goes inside, mid-range jumper, that's good. 4 minutes, 40 seconds remaining sa ating first half mga kaibigan. ATENEO still holding this lead sa ating ball game. Buela posting up his defenders, goes inside. Mid-range jumper, that's good, plus a foul. And a chance for a 3-point play. It's gonna be a foul called on Fulgar. First attempt by Buela, no good. Doesn't complete the 3-point play. Aureliano dito, fires a long 3-pointer. No good, ball goes out of bounds. Lumabi now with the ball here para sa Rams. Lumabi kicks it to the outside. Into Postrado, Postrado with that layup, no good. Aureliano with the ball, passes it to Barre, Barre fast break. Layup, that's a block by Vibares. Vibares with the ball here. Fast break ngayon ng Rams and a foul called by the referee. That's gonna be a foul called on Barre. Substitution here on the side of the Golden Knights. Labas muna dito si Tripulca. Pasok si Almario. First shot is good. Second shot is good para kay Vibares. Aureliano with the ball here. Passes it to Almario. Almario a 3-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. Beltran tries again. That's the... This time it's good. technical foul called there on Beltran. Ang kaibigan. Free throw here now para kay Vibares. No good sa kanyang attempt. Ball possession, mapupunta to Shepherdville. 3 minutes, 28 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Postrado with the ball here. Postrado passes it to Martinez. Martinez to Vibares from the outside. Pump fake. 3-pointer. That's good. 3-pointer there by Vibares. Technical foul called here on Vibares. Two technical fouls here called on both teams. That's gonna be third personal foul here para kay Vibares. Almari with that free throw. That's good. 3-point lead here by the Golden Knights. Pulgar with the ball. Mario with the ball here. Goes inside, kicks it to Barre. Barre goes inside, floater. No good. Rebound here by Buela. Passes it to Vibares. Vibares gets a foul. It's going to be a foul called there on Almario. Two shots will be awarded here para kay Vibares. First shot is good. Second shot, it's good para kay Vibares. 1-point lead mga kaibigan ang hawak dito ng Golden Knights with 2 minutes and 49 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Arellano with the ball, taking point para sa Golden Knights. Passes it to Fulgar. Fulgar, inside pass, intercepted there by Buela. That's a steal by Postrado pero nakuha ulit ni Plaza. Ateneo with Almario with the ball. Harap na papapasahan. Inside pass to Beltran. Beltran laying it up. No good. Hits the backboard. Martinez to Postrado. Postrado to Martinez. Martinez going inside. Pump fake. Layup. No good. That's going to be a traveling violation. Triple ka ngayon with the ball. Passes it to Almario. Almario inside pass to Aguilar. Aguilar pump fake. Ganam na mapapasahan guys to Almario. Almario goes inside. Smothered by the defense. Offensive rebound Madridano. Second chance effort. No good. And a foul called by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on Aguilar. Penalty mga kaibigan dito. 2 shots para kay Martinez. Two shots dito para sa Shepherd to gain the lead. First shot by Martinez is good. That's gonna be a tying shot. Deadlock tayo ngayon mga kaibigan at 38. One more to put the Shepherdville Rams on the lead. No good. Tie game tayo dito mga kaibigan. Almari with the ball. Foul called here on Vincolado. And a timeout called here by the Golden Knights. A minute 55 seconds remaining mga kaibigan on our second quarter. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik ang Bucal Season 5. Tuloy-tuloy ang aksyon mga kaibigan dito sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium. Saan tumawag ng timeout dito ang Golden Knights to make some changes sa kanilang plays. Let's see kung magiging effective nga ba. Almari with the ball here. Hingi siya ng screen dito. Gets that screen from Aguilar. Spinning, laying it up. No good. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. It's gonna be a foul call ng Postrado. First shot here by Almario. It's good. Second shot by Almario is good. Martinez with the ball, passes it to Lumabi. Lumabi to Vivares. Vivares goes inside. Lays it up, no good. Buela, offensive rebound. Goes inside again, wala pa rin. Almari with that rebound. Fast break ngayon ng Golden Knights. And a foul called by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on Lumabi. Warning for penalty na dito ngayon ang Shepherd. Almario, a three-pointer. That's good! One minute, 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Vivares with the ball here. That's gonna be a technical foul called on Almario. Technical foul called here on Almario for unsportsmanlike behavior. Free throw here para kay Vivares. Umiinit mga kaibigan ang laban dito ngayon sa ating hard court. As of now, mga kaibigan, 3 technical fouls have been given to both sides. Barres will take his free throw here after the discussion by the referee and the coach of the Rams. Barres gets that ball in. Ball possession dito para sa Golden Knights. Tripulca with the ball, passes it to Plaza. Plaza heavily guarded by the Rams into the hands of Aguilar. Balik kay Plaza, floater, no good. Offensive rebound, Beltran. No good, that's a block. Tripulca to Almario, a three-pointer. That's good! Three-pointer para kay Almario dito ngayon, mga kaibigan. Less than a minute remaining dito sa ating first half. Mabasa with the ball, passes it to Vibares. Intercepted there by Tripulca ang bola. Rams with the possession with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Martinez goes inside, passes to Buela. Buela, floater, no good. Putback, wala pa rin. Almario with the ball here. Fast break ngayon ng Ateneo. Almario lays it up, no good. Rebound by Mabasa, intercepted by Aguilar. Aguilar goes inside, lays it up, that's good. Martinez passes to Buela. Buela for that two-pointer. Shot clock is off, 18 seconds remaining. Foul called by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on Martinez. Quick shoutouts tayo dito, mga kaibigan. Shoutout kay Norin Araneta, kay Mark Matthew Bagasbas, kay Raniel Orada, kay Juan Carlo Trine, and kay Feben Lumabi, and kay Vanessa Lumabi. Free throw dito ngayon para kay Tripulca. That's good. Ball hits that backboard with that inbound pass by Martinez. That's gonna be a turnover para sa side ng Rams. Tripulca to Almario. Almario making the play dito ngayon para sa Golden Knights. Almario fires a three-pointer, no good. I think that was a block there by Buela. Buela ngayon on the other side, layup is good. And that ball is counted as we end the first half, mga kaibigan. 49-41 Ateneo. Ay, 49-43 mga kaibigan as we end this first half. Don't go anywhere sa pagbabalik natin for the third quarter.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, Just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa! The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, dinoble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa! The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
We are back live mga kaibigan sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium sa pagbabalik ng ating quarterfinals matchup between the Golden Knights and the Rams. Ateneo heading into this third quarter with a 49-43 lead. And ngayon babalik tayo sa hardcourt as Aureliano passes it to his teammate Bucal. No good sa kanyang 3-pointer attempt. Fulgar to Almario to Aureliano. Hingi siya ng screen dito. Aureliano kicks it to Almario. Almario at quick trigger 3. That's good! 3-pointer by Almario heading into this third quarter. Lumabi with the ball. Kaya naman ang mapapasaan. Gets to his teammate. Balik kay Vibares. Along 3-pointer. No good. Almario with the ball here. Heavily guarded by two Rams. Passes it to his teammate Bare. Bare swatted away by Vibares. "14 seconds on the shot clock para sa Golden Knights." Intercepted there by Lumabi. That's a steal. Vibares open for that layup. It's good. 7-point lead here by the Golden Knights. Almario with the ball. Passes it to Aureliano. Aureliano going inside. Floater. No good. Offensive rebound by Fulgar. That's good for a 2-pointer. Postrado to Vibares. Vibares to Buela. Buela spins. Fadeaway jumper. That's going to be a traveling of violation. Mga kaibigan, traveling is better with Nagayon Traveling Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams. Create memories. Bare ngayon with the ball. Passes it to Aureliano. Aureliano going inside here. Floats it up. No good. That's a foul by the referee. That's going to be a foul called on Martinez. That's going to be the third personal foul by Martinez. First shot is good by Aureliano. And mga kaibigan, to give us an update kung anong ba ang mga changes na ginawa ng Ateneo on the side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Lois. Lois, ano ang balita dyan?
Thank you, Burns. The Ateneo Golden Knights are dominating the second quarter with their leading zone defense and tight offense. With every ball possession, they are dictating the tempo of the ball game and securing the lead against their opponent. Still, Coach Mark Vasquez reminded their team to manifest freedom, attack, and go home. That is all for the updates. Back to you, Burns.
And maraming salamat, Lois, for that update on the side of the Golden Knights. Makikita natin mga kaibigan if yung mga changes ba yun na ginanap ng halftime break ay magiging effective for Ateneo. Whistle blown there by the referee signaling a foul. I think that's gonna be a foul called on Fulgar. And to give us an update naman on the side of the Rams, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Ali, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Burns. We are now on the second half of the game and the Rams are still trying to get the lead on this ball game. During the dugout, Coach All emphasized the importance of communication, especially on their defense. They're also reminded to play the system and anticipate better. Words of encouragement coming from the coaches as well as the players were also heard, emphasizing that there are still plenty of time to make up for all their lapses. Wag na wag magpapasindak. Always have the confidence to get the rim and drive into bigger bodies. Last 20 minutes of the game, mas magtyaga at walang tatamlay. That's the update on the side of the Rams. Balik sa'yo, Burns.
Ayan, maraming salamat Ali for that update on the side of the Rams. Just a moment ago mga kaibigan, makikita natin na yung attempt there by Bucal was swatted away by Bucal. Ngayon, Ateneo with 17 seconds on the shot clock has the possession here. Bare stepping in the line there. That's gonna be a turnover para sa side ng Golden Knights. Substitution dito para sa Ateneo. Monay will go in. Lumabi ngayon, may dala ng bola para sa Rams. Trying to go inside, gets inside, but that's a steal by Fulgar. Fulgar now into the hands of Monay. Monay to Almario. Almario passes it to Fulgar. Fulgar goes inside, lays it up. That's no good. Well, against that rebound there. Vivares now. Mamadali going inside, laying it up. That's good. Mario to Orellano. Orellano, balik ka Almario. Almario fires a three. No good. Offensive rebound, Fulgar. Fulgar back to Orellano. 10 seconds to shoot here. Orellano fires a three-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound by Monay into the hands of Almario. Almario goes inside, passes it to Fulgar. Floater. That's good. Vivares ngayon para sa Rams. Long three-pointer. That's good. Using the glass to their advantage. 10-point lead na lang ang hawak dito ng Ateneo. Fulgar passes it to his teammate. Monay to Orellano. Orellano to Fulgar to Monay. Three-pointer. No good. Rebound secured by Vivares and a foul called by the referee. That's going to be a foul called on Almario. Second team foul here on Ateneo. 5 minutes, 10 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Lumabi with the ball here para sa Shepherd. Lumabi passes it to the outside. Number 25. No good sa kanyang three-pointer. Rebound there by Madridana is good. Beltran to Monay. Monay swatted away that ball. That's a steal by Vivares. Buela for that two-pointer is good. Balik sa single digits ang kalamang hawak dito ngayon ng Golden Knights. Beltran spins, passes to Tripulca. Tripulca to Beltran. Three-pointer. That's good! Back to a double-digit lead. Vivares with the ball here. Fires a three-pointer of their own. No good. Offensive rebound by Lumabi. Number 25, three-pointer. No good pa rin. Tripulca with that rebound. Going all the way here. Tripulca layup. No good. Lumabi ngayon. Going inside. Laying it up. That's good. Plus a foul and a chance for a 3-point play. Single digit lead na naman ulit mga kaibigan ng ATENEO dito. To complete the 3-point play. Does not complete the 3-point play there. Umabi. Plaza ngayon with the ball. Passes it to Valle. Valle to Beltran. Beltran going inside. Layup. No good. Vibares with the ball para sa Rams. Guarded by Valle. Vibares going inside. Pump fake. Pass it to Buela. Buela mid-range jumper. That's good. 2-pointer again para sa Rams. Tripulka with the ball. Passes to Valle. Valle goes inside. Intercepted by the Rams. Ball goes out of bounds. ATENEO with the possession. That's a steal by the Shepherdville Rams. Vibares layup for that fast break. No good. Plaza to Almario. Plaza to Valle. Valle sets up a 3. No good. Madridano offensive rebound. Wala pa rin sa kanyang second chance attempt. Rico with the ball. 3-on-1 fast break. Passes to number 35 to Lumavi. Foul called on Plaza. Substitution on both sides. Lumabi with the ball here. Intercepted. Fadeaway jumper by number 18. Dangkalan is good. Slowly but surely, Shepherdville Rams going back into this game. 58-63. Fulgar passes to Beltran. Beltran to Almario, 3-pointer. Bang! That's good. Eight-point lead by ATENEO. Lumabi going inside, passes it. And a foul called by the referee. Foul called on number 70, Plaza. 2 shots para kay Dangkalan dito. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good pa rin para kay Dangkalan. 1 minute, 48 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Valle with the ball. What about that 3-pointer? Valle ngayon, lays it up. That's good. Balik sa 10 mga kaibigan ang kalamangan ng ATENEO dito. Lumabi ngayon with the ball. Goes inside, lays it up, no good. Put back by Rico, no good pa rin. Ball goes out of bounds. Shepherd with their possession dito, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Dangkalan fadeaway jumper, that's good. Valle with the ball, passes to Pulgar. Pulgar to Valle. Valle intercepted that pass. Foul called by the referee. Let's get a foul called on Mabaza. Almario. There's a foul called again by the referee. It's going to be a foul called on Pareja. Intercepted inbound pass there. That's a steal by Mabaza. Mabaza fires a three. No good. Shepherdville still has that possession. Mabaza with the ball. Fires another three-pointer. No good. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. 3 shots ngayon para kay Mabaza. First shot is good para kay Mabaza. Second shot, no good. One more shot para kay Mabaza. No good pa rin. 1 of 3 para kay Mabaza dito. 30 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Valle passes it to outside. Bongala, 3-pointer. No good. Rebound there by Mabaza. Shot clock is off. 3-on-1 fast break. Layup, that's good. Valle with the ball here. Valle to Almario. Foul called by the referee here. That's going to be a foul called on Pareja. Almario to Bongala. To the hands of Almario. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Almario fires a 3-pointer. No good. And that is the end of our third quarter, mga kaibigan. 68-63. A 5-point lead by the Golden Knights. Don't go anywhere, mga kaibigan. At sa pagbabalik natin, it's our fourth and final quarter. We are back, mga kaibigan, para sa fourth and final quarter ng quarterfinal matchup between the ATENEO Golden Knights and the Shepherdville Rams. 5-point lead na mga kaibigan ang hawak dito ng Golden Knights. Let's see if they will maintain this lead and proceed to the semifinals, or will the Shepherdville Rams get an upset here. Ateneo with the possession here. Aureliano with the ball. Passes it to Bare. Bare, balik ka Aureliano ang bola. Aureliano to Madridano. Intercepted pass there. Postrado with that steal. Going inside. Floater on the mid-range. That's short. Vuela gets that back. Pero nakuha dito ni Aureliano ang loose ball. Pulgar here. Balik ka Aureliano ang bola. Taking point. Passes it to Bare. Bare to the inside. 10 seconds to shoot. Tripulka, three-pointer. No good. Whistle blown by the referee. That's gonna be a foul called on number 13, Mabaza. Third personal foul para kay Mabaza dito. Aureliano to Fulgar, intercepted pass pero nakuha ulit ng Ateneo. Tripulka. That's gonna be a traveling violation. Mga kaibigan, traveling is better with Nagayon Traveling Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Shepherd now with the ball here. Mabaza with the possession. Three-pointer, no good. Tripulka to Aureliano. Passes to Fulgar. Fulgar goes inside. Floater, no good. Offensive rebound. Passes to Tripulka. Tripulka got that ball stolen. Mabasa ngayon. Fast break para sa Shepherd. Passes it to Postrado. Postrado, mid-range jumper. No good. Lumabi. Offensive rebound. And then mga kaibigan, to give us an update on the side of the Rams, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Ali!
Well, thank you, Birds. We are now on the last quarter of the game, and the SPC Rams are still full of positive hope that they can recover. During the huddle, the boys are reminded to neglect the pressure, focus on the game, and just relax. 10 minutes is still a long time, so make use of the time positively and make every possession count. 10 minutes sa tiyaga at trabaho. Raise the banner of the Rams up until the finals. A reminder of the coaches in order to fuel the drive of the boys to play and do better inside the hard court. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa'yo, Burns.
Tiyaga at trabaho, yan ang advice ng coaching staff dito para sa Shepherdville Rams. And kailangan talaga nilang trabahuhin ito. They only have a 5-point deficit na kailangan nilang habulin to get the lead para sa Ateneo. Second attempt there by Aguilar is no good. Postrado ngayon with the ball. Passes it to Lumabi. Almost 2 minutes have elapsed here in our fourth and final quarter, mga kaibigan. And a foul called here by the referee. Foul called on Tripulka. Substitution tayo dito ngayon. Tripulka goes out, Almari goes in. Vuela with the ball para sa Rams. Guarded by Aguilar. Vuela, fadeaway jumper. That's good! And then mga kaibigan, to give us an update naman on the side of the Golden Knights, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Lois. Lois!
Thank you, Burns. The basketball gods are in favor of the Golden Knights. Still at an advantage, the team continues to hustle and play hard, securing offensive rebounds and protecting every position. Moreover, the Golden Knights are expected to use ball screen defenses to counter their opponents' advances. That is all for the updates. Back to you, Burns.
Yan, maraming salamat Lois for that update on the side of the Golden Knights. Yan ang advice naman ni Coach Nuki para sa kanyang mga team. Defense is the best offense dito. Kailangan nilang mag-play under defensive stance. Kasi kailangan nilang i-maintain ang kalamangan nila dito. Pero going back to our ball game, 4-point lead na lang mga kaibigan ang hawak dito ng Golden Knights, 69-65. 7 minutes, 25 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Lumabi to Vibares. An offensive foul here called on Vibares. Ateneo now with the possession here. Shoutout sa ating mga technical crews na nagtutulong dito sa loob ng ating hardcore to wipe off the sweats here ng ating mga players. After the ball game tayo dito mga kaibigan. Almario taking point para sa Golden Knights. Passes it to Bare. Bare naghanap ng papapasahan. Gets to Almario. Almario thought about that 3-pointer. Passes it anyway to Aureliano for that 3-pointer. Wala pa rin. Lumabi with that rebound. Passes it to Vibares. Vibares going inside. Tosses up the floater. No good. Put back. Wala pa rin. Buela gets that rebound again. Passes it. Pero may back foul ngayon para kay Bare dito. "14 seconds on the shot clock para sa Rams. Mario, Vibares passes it to Postrado. Postrado ngayon to Buela. Buela kicks it outside. Mabasa 3-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound, Mabasa goes inside, lays it up, that's good. 2-point lead na lang mga kaibigan ang hawak ng Ateneo. Aureliano to Bare. Beltran to Almario, reverse layup is good. Estrado to Lumabi. Foul called here by the referee. Six seconds on the shot clock dito ngayon mga kaibigan. Para sa Shepherdville Rams. Estrado with the ball. Floats it up. No good. That's short. Almario with the ball. Para sa Golden Knights. Almario going inside. He falls down here. Same ball called by the referee. Shepherdville ball. And then mga kaibigan, mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang Golden Knights. 5 minutes, 50 seconds remaining. 67-71 ang ating score dito mga kaibigan. Don't go anywhere, magbabalik po ang Bucal Season 5. They still need to chase this lead by Ateneo. Estrado ngayon with the ball. Hanap ng mapapasahan dito. Passes it to Vibares. Vibares fadeaway jumper. No good. Nice defense there by Almario. Plaza ngayon with the ball. Plaza to Almario. Almario kicks it to the corner. Foul called on Mabaza. It's going to be Mabaza's fourth personal foul. Bari ngayon to Plaza. Plaza 3-pointer. And dumikit yung bola sa ating ring. Ball possession will go to Ateneo with 7 seconds on the shot clock. Almario passes it to Beltran. Beltran to Plaza. Almario a 3-pointer. No good. Plaza gets that offensive rebound floater. No good pa rin. Beltran tries again. This time it's good. Vibares a long 3-pointer. That's gonna be short. Almario with the ball here. Passes it to Plaza. Plaza to Barre. 3-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. Beltran. Pero goes out of bounds. Substitution dito para sa Ateneo. Fulgar with the ball. Passes to Almario. Almario goes inside, stripped away by Lumabi. That's a steal. Fast break ngayon ng Shepherd. 2-on-1 fast break. Intercepted by Aureliano. That's a steal of his own. Arellano passes to Fulgar. Fulgar with the floater. No good, pero may foul. Foul called there on Martinez. Both teams ngayon nasa penalty situation. First attempt by Fulgar. No good. Second shot is good para kay Fulgar. Substitution dito para sa Rams. Estrada with the ball. Passes to Lumabi. Lumabi naghanap ng mapapasahan against to Postrado. And a quick greeting tayo dito mga kaibigan. Shoutout kay IC Cortez na courtside reporter ng UNC Greyhounds. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Foul called on Vibares dito. That's gonna be his 5th personal foul mga kaibigan. That's gonna be his excluding foul. Grabe, that's a very crucial foul there para kay Vibares. One of the key pieces dito ngayon para sa Shepherdville Rams. It's gonna be a costly loss para sa kanila. Fulgar with this first attempt is good. 5-point lead mga kaibigan ang hawak ngayon ng Golden Knights. Second attempt by Fulgar is good. Lumabi ngayon with the ball here. Lumabi goes inside, spins past to Buela. Buela, jumper, that's good. Arellano with the ball here. 4-point lead by Ateneo. Bare with the ball. To the hands of Almario. Almario to Bare. Bare kicks it to the outside. That goes out of bounds. Five seconds on the shot clock dito para sa Ateneo. Mario goes inside. That's a steal. Buela, fast break dito ngayon ng Shepherd. Intercepted by Bare. Now Fulgar with the ball. With 3 minutes remaining in this quarter. Arellano. To Bare. Bare inside pass to Beltran. Beltran, easy two-pointer. Lumabi ngayon, guarded by Almario. Trying to break away, gets a foul from Almario. Fourth personal foul here para kay Almario. One more, then he's excluded from the game. Kailangan niya dito mag-ingat. Lumabi. Penalty shots para sa kanya dito. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good, pero may offensive rebound dito si Buela. Buela passes to Postrado. Postrado going inside. Layup, that's blocked by Beltran. Almario with the ball here. Kicks it to the corner. Arellano spins, lays it up, that's good! And mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang Shepherdville Rams. With 2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining dito sa ating final quarter mga kaibigan. 8-point lead by the Golden Knights. Grabe mga kaibigan. Mainit na matchup dito para sa both teams. Ateneo maintaining this lead from the last minutes of the first quarter up until now in our fourth quarter. Shepherdville Rams, kailangan nila dito makamake ng play kung gusto pa nilang makapaghabol dito. Only within striking reach dito ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. 8-point lead lang mga kaibigan ang hawak dito ng Ateneo. And back to the ball game tayo dito ngayon mga kaibigan. Nakikita natin ang crowd cheering here for Ateneo. There's still a chance here para sa Shepherdville Rams para makabawi. Pero Ateneo with this lead still sitting pretty para sa kanila. Lumabi ngayon para sa Golden Knights. Para sa Shepherdville Rams. Mabasa with the ball. 3-pointer by Lumabi. In and out. Rebound by Fulgar. That's of Arellano. Intercepted pass there. Postrado gets that ball. Passes to Mabasa. Mabasa intercepted by Almario pero mapupunta possession para sa Rams. Mabe with the ball. Passes to Postrado. Postrado goes inside to Buela. Buela intercepted pass. Dangkalan fadeaway jumper in and out. Put back there by Buela, still no good. Out of bounds, Ateneo ball. And I believe mga kaibigan, magre-review muna dito ang ating mga referees. Kung sino ba talaga ang nagkakuha ng last touch doon sa ating out of bounds. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan. We will go on a short break. And ayan mga kaibigan, final call here by the referee. Possession goes into the hands of the Golden Knights. And kung maririnig nyo mga kaibigan, na ang crowd na nanonood ngayon sa Ateneo is cheering them on. Full court trapping defense ngayon ang pinapakita ng Shepherdville. Foul called here on Mabi. Two shots ngayon para kay Pulka. First shot is good. One more shot to extend Ateneo to a double-digit lead. Double-digit lead mga kaibigan para sa Golden Knights. Ang tatawag ng timeout dito ang Shepherdville Rams. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan, na magbabalik ang Bucal Season 5. We are back live mga kaibigan para sa last minute and 23 seconds ng quarterfinal matchup between the Shepherdville Rams and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Ateneo with a double-digit lead here, 82-72. Ball possession here will be given to the Shepherdville Rams. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Mabaza gets that ball. Passes it to his teammate. Three-pointer, no good. Put back there by Buela. No good, pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. 2 shots dito para kay Buela. First shot by Buela is good. Balik sa single-digit lead ang hawak ng Ateneo ngayon. Second shot, that's good. Para kay Buela. Bucal with the ball para sa Golden Knights. Double team by the Shepherdville Rams. Orellano to Almario. Almario goes inside, lays it up. That's good! 2-pointer for Almario. Pero Almario is on the ground there. That's going to be a foul called on Fulgar. As Almario is on the ground here. Fourth personal foul here on Fulgar. Almario is good here, being assisted by Coach Gab De Vera. Substitution para sa Golden Knights. Madridano will go in. Quick shoutout tayo dito ngayon. Shoutout kay Rap Regaspi, kay Andre Oyardo, kay Darrell Principe, kay Wayne Salcedo, and kay Richmond Edgar Jerome Canlas. 2 shots ngayon para kay Lumabi as we hit the last minute of this fourth and final quarter, mga kaibigan. First shot, no good para kay Lumabi. Second shot here by Lumabi. That's good. Cutting the lead to single digits. Orellano with the ball here. Going all the way. Passes it to Bare, to Tripulca. Tripulca to Bare. Killing time dito ngayon ang Golden Knights. Beltran with the ball. Going inside. That's a block. Intercepted pass there. Aureliano gets that ball, passes it to Beltran for that easy layup, pero it goes out. Put back by Beltran, goes in. And mapapatawag ulit ng timeout dito ang Shepherdville Rams. Quick shoutout tayo dito ulit mga kaibigan, na shoutout kay Juner Cortez Reyes, kay Taser Jericho, kay Al Joshua Santor, kay James Neil Concepcion Nobleza, kay Linel Gaupo, kay Desiree Auditor, and kay Julian Cedric Trinidad. And syempre shoutout din sa 907 viewers na nanonood sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Some changes dito para sa side ng Shepherdville Rams as we have only 33 seconds left para sa ating fourth and final quarter. And ayan na, shoutout! Shoutout tayo dito ngayon kaya Daryl Principe na nanonood. Shoutout sa'yo, ang Prinsipe ng Bucal. Back to the ball game tayo dito mga kaibigan. Lumabi with the ball here. Goes inside, lays it up, no good. Rebound there by Bare. And foul called here on Buela. Free throw is good para kay Bare. Mabasa with the ball here. Stolen away by Tripulca. Almario holding the ball here. And they will dribble out the ball here mga kaibigan. I think this is it para sa Golden Knights. Congratulations to both teams. Pero isa lang ang a-advance dito sa ating semifinals, and that's gonna be the Ateneo Golden Knights. Final score 88-75. Great performance shown here by both teams, pero isa lang ang mananaig dito mga kaibigan, and that's gonna be the Ateneo Golden Knights. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan, magbabalik tayo to present the best player of the game.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa! The fastest growing fiber internet got even
Thank you, Burns. The best player of the game is brought to you by NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings. This marks the end of the quarterfinals knockout game between the ATENEO Golden Knights and the Shepherdville Rams. After an excruciating tension amidst the competition, the Golden Knights triumphantly took home the win and are now bound for the semi-finals. Let us now welcome the key to ATENEO's win with 13 steals, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, 1 block, none other than jersey number 16, Oscar Beltran Jr. Good afternoon, Oscar. The Golden Knights struggled during the first quarter. How did you take advantage of your position to contribute to your win and finally dominate the game?
Sinunod ko lang yung sinasabi ni coach sa amin na sabi nga ni coach, one at a time, and talagang nag-hard work kami sa practice namin, and ayun. Yun lang.
We are only days away from the semifinals. The question is, are you ready and are you willing to do everything you've got?
Sabi nga ni coach, madami pa kaming i-improve and ready na po kami sa semifinals.
Ayan, congratulations, Oscar! So, this is your chance to bid your thanks, shoutouts, or invite your fans to your next game in the semifinals.
Una-una, thank you kay Lord dahil sa binigay niyang panalo, and sa Ateneo community, sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin since day one, and sa mga family ko dyan sa Catanduanes, Biga, kila Mama, kila Ate Alaysa, kay Ate Shara, kay Kuya Brian, and sa pinakagwapo kong boss Mertz, and sa mga teammate ko, and sa mga coaching staff ng Ateneo. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much, Oscar. The Ateneo community is surely proud of you, and we are excited to see you in the semifinals. For sure, the Ateneo University Gymnasium will be once again filled with the cheers and the cheers of the proud Golden community. This has been Lois Papa from the Ateneo Golden Knights. Back to you, Burns.
Ayun, maraming salamat Lois, and congratulations para kay Oscar Beltran Jr. garnering 13 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block. Grabe, napakagandang performance ang pinakita ngayon ng ating Golden Knights, kaya sila ang karapat-dapat na mag-advance para sa ating semifinals match. Pero mga kaibigan, that is all the time that we have in this ball games. Muli, ako si David Joshua Bernales, ang inyong naging analyst and commentator para sa quarterfinals match ng Ateneo Golden Knights and Shepherd Ville Rams. Tutok kayo next week for more games in this Bucal Season 5. Maraming salamat po and paalam.